Some of you might call me cheap. I prefer frugal. If I have the supplies, why would I buy coffee downstairs when I can make it in the comfort of my own room? With my own cup, my own coffee. Hi, I'm a wandering vagabond. People are always curious when I tell them that I live really frugally. They want to know how much it costs. They want to know what I do, how I save money. So, let's show you what I did with my little mini vacation to Vegas. Tonight, I'm on the Las Vegas Strip. Let's see if we can gamble all of our money and make some. Yeah, that's not the case. It doesn't always work that way in Vegas. But I got a plan. Since I do live a very frugal life and like, I don't know, most would say a cheap life, I got $100. I made $100 door dashing today, so that's my gambling fund. Yeah, let's see what we can do at 5 hotels or 5 casinos, $20 each. Let's see if I can make some money or if I can break even. I don't know. Let's find out. So I'm staying at the Excalibur Hotel, and that's my first stop.
A few moments later.
So that was actually kind of quick and easy. Yeah, I turned my $20 into $60. And then went right next door to New York, and lost $20. So that's how that goes. On to the next one. So I've been here for like 3 days now. And you guys always get to see the vagabond part of things. I don't really show you the wandering part. I definitely put some miles on these Crocs. Just walking. I walk almost everywhere, always where I am. It's just what I do. When I get to cities, I explore them. The cheapest and easiest way for me to actually explore a city is on my feet. The easiest way to explore the forest is on my feet. So I just keep walking. And that means I use transportation when I can. Let's hop on a tram. Alright, well, I've walked from all the way down there up to the Aria. And from here, let's take a tram to Bellagio. It's the wandering on foot that allows me to see all types of things. All types of things. Everything's flowers. Everything is flowers. A little helpful advice. If you want to see that without people, come here at 7 o'clock in the morning. Come here earlier in the morning. Nobody's awake. It's empty. Try our luck here.
A few moments later.
Well, that was a quick $20. Ouch. I laugh as I walk through here, through all the really high-end stores, and think back to a guy 20 years ago that wore that stuff. Instead of, looks like this, every day. In all countries, all over the world. That's not me. This is clearly not my first trip to Vegas. Not even my 4th or 5th. I come here quite often, which is kind of weird. But to me, it's just a city. It's a place to be. A place with constant entertainment almost. pretty cool views. It's as I walk around places like this that I realize that, I mean, this is a destination for most people. Like, this is a vacation that they've saved up for a long time. I came during the pandemic when Vegas was empty, completely empty. It was surreal. The city that never sleeps is sleeping. It's pretty empty out here. We came here after it reopened, and it was strange, very strange. I was just here in the spring, and it was totally different. But it just reminds me that the way I live life, completely different to most people's thoughts. I get to experience the world. I have experienced the world. And I come to some really cool places when most people save their entire lives to go to one place. I don't know. Makes me feel very blessed to have the life and to live the life that I live. Some people get angry with me because I live this lifestyle. It's bare bones, minimalistic, but it affords me to do things like this, to just come to Vegas and hang out. I don't have to worry about gambling and drinking and doing all that stuff. That's just been there, done it. Like the fountains. I've seen that fountain so many different times during so many different seasons. Yeah. Don't take life for granted, guys. Go out there and really actually enjoy it. In my opinion, one of the best parts about traveling alone is when I get tired, I can just go. I don't have to wait for anybody else. I don't have to verify that somebody else is ready to go. I'm just done. I didn't complete 5 casinos. I think I 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. I'm good. I've got food. I'm heading back. Let's go find a place to eat. There's so much background noise here. But I can tell that I'm tired. I'm really tired. I put on a lot of miles the other day with the F1 race. My plan tonight was to walk. Yeah, time to finish my dinner and walk back home. Having traveled a lot of the world feels like other parts of the world now. It's very strange. Sometimes I don't know where I am, honestly.
The tram is now departing. Please hold on to a handrail.
Sometimes I get a tram all to myself. A whole tram all to myself. Wait until we've evolved as a culture that like moving walkways are a thing everywhere. I just don't have to walk. Like this thing will just take me places. Pro tip, a little bucket in that room is just not enough. But a CVS bag, just like their receipts, can hold a whole lot. I gotta use 2 hands for this. refrigerators in these rooms. So instead, I made myself a makeshift fridge last night. Ice in the trash barrel. Yeah. Well, I know I didn't like complete my mission, but I sort of did, because I did things and I went places, and I'm sore from going all those places and walking there. Hope you guys enjoyed. You know, it's kind of boring, but I've just been trying to make more videos, try to get myself out there. There's a subscribe button down there. Help me out. It's free. Bye.